Kung may kinanta nun, doon sa atin, hindi.
Just what is hitting me? Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love. Why you never let me go? And I thought you could see my nerve to show me how to know just how it feels. You had forgiven me so many times it seems. I feel I've done what you must go, a worthy Christian after all. And all of you so that they should find its way through me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean all of my own understanding. If I just forget, you won't give me what I can bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, when you wanna be there. Oh,
Tayo sa Eder, sa Grand. Gano'n natin, sabihin natin kakakanta. Makanta ang mulo.
Jesus,
Mapapanood ka pa ako sa akin. Nakakatakili sa Eder.
I'd like to thank you every day, but only when I feel that way. I never know a man feeling like a shit like me, and yet because you love to slow, you promised us eternity, and we can have this promise and be if we have faith and just believe. Teach us to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean on my own understanding. If we just forget, you won't give us what we can bear. Take us out of the dark, my Lord, if we don't want to be alone. Take us out of the dark, my Lord, we don't want to be there. Oh, my Lord. Pag-isa naman.
Yung bouquet.